Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can integrate our website with aibuster. So what exactly we need to do is the initial stage is to go to the below part in this section, and there is a section called website. We need to click here. After that, it will appear a box like this where we can integrate our WordPress website. Here we need to provide our website link, and the below part we need to provide a title and our username and password. Here, before starting and showing everyone that what exactly we need to do to integrate our website to aibuster, there are some important news or important things that I want to share with you, that most of the people actually make this mistake when they first time integrate their website with aibuster. So let's start the first mistake that people have done, or people most of the time people do. The first thing is they don't provide HTTPS. That means if we provide http/website.com, so then our website will not integrate with aibuster. And the main reason is that here we didn't provide any HTTPS. So we must have to provide the HTTPS. Only then our website will integrate in this case. Here we can see an example that how and which format we need to add our website. We need to provide HTTPS, then :/, and then our website.com. Another mistake that people most of the time do is that they provide like this: HTTPS, and then, for example, this website, and they provide this type of slash. For example, this is a website name and we write .com. If we provide a / here, right, this one, then it will not integrate our website with aibuster tool. So what exactly we need to do is we need to provide a website name that is like this format. So this is the two things that most of the people have done a mistake during the time of integrating their website with aibuster. And third thing that people actually make mistake during the time of integrating their website with aibuster is that sometimes they add some ad blocker or some third-party app that disable the app password. So what is app password? To describe all these things, now I'm going through some steps. The first things first, we need to log in our WordPress website. I've already logged into my website, and from my website I need to go to this place, and from here I need to go to the edit profile option, and then go to the downside of our website, and here we'll find one option called application password. So we need to know another most important thing is that application password is completely different than our website admin password. So if we want to generate our application password, at first we need to go to the edit profile section after logging to our website. And then when this page appears, we need to go to the downside, and then we need to put our application password. So at first, I'll provide here some name of the new application password name. Let's say aibuster. And then I click add new application password. And it will generate an application password for us. I just copy this application password, and then I return to the aibuster tool, and here I provide our application password. Let's check again. Yes, it is right. So we have already provided our application password. Then we need to provide our username. It is, in my case, it is zim.hassan. Put a title, for example, our website name. And then WordPress is already selected. Then I need to provide my website URL. Here I go here and provide my website URL. And done. This is all the information I provide currently. And I want to remind you everyone again, this part is completely different. This password is not our website login password. It is different. And we need to go to the edit section and then we need to generate this app password. Then I click save. I need to wait some time and it said, boom, my website is already added to aibuster. Now, if I go to any other part, for example, if I go to this part, then it will show me to add my website. For example, in this section, select post, select website, then from here, my website address is already appearing from here. So I can add my website from here. And after that, I can, when I generate my content using the bulk content option, I just simply click submit and it will automatically publish the post in my website. Additionally, we can also select our menu, in which menu we want to post our a particular content, and we also need to provide our website link. And this way, the entire process actually worked. So this is the way actually how we can integrate our website with aibuster tool. So hope it will be helpful for each and every user whenever next time they integrate their website with aibuster tool. So that's all for today. Have a good day.